Very good morning, student. How are you all? Student, today we will start a new chapter, chapter 2. It's globe, latitudes and longitude. We have already studied about our Earth planet, and you all know very well that Earth is not a sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and the south pole and bulk in the middle. Yes, you can understand this line with the help of this globe. You can see this globe as we say that the globe is a true model of Earth. Here it is a north pole, okay, and it is a south pole. So I will make you understand about all these lines with this globe. Here you can see this is at the top it is a flattened. Yes, at the top and at the bottom it is a flattened little, and at the middle it is a bulk. Okay. You will notice that a needle is affixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called a axis. 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are called two poles, its north pole and the south pole. Now, see it here, students. You can see one needle which passes through this globe, and this needle, you can see it is visible to you all, है ना? It is in tilted manner, which is called it axis. It is a true model of your Earth, and you know this tilted needle is called a axis. Yes, and here it is a two poles. It is a north pole and it is a south pole. Okay. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east, just as the Earth moves. But remember, there is a major difference. The real Earth has no such needle. It moves around its axis, which is in an imaginary line. Yeah, students, the globe can be moved around with the help of this needle from west to east. Okay, just our Earth moves. But remember, students, there is a major difference between the real Earth moves and the globe, because there is no needle. There is no needle in between the Earth. It moves around its axis around on a imaginary line. जैसे आपको ग्लोब में दिखाई दे रहा है, ये needle है, and it is called the axis of this globe. But in reality, in Earth, there is no needle. Only Earth moves on its imaginary line. It is called a axis. Okay. Here, come again back to this point. Another imaginary lines running on the globe, divided into two equal parts, are known as the equator. There are two equal halves, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Okay. Here in this globe, I'll show you the globe here. You can see this imaginary line. It is visible to you all? Yes. It is in the middle of the globe, and this imaginary line is called a equator. This equator divides the globes into two equal halves. Okay. Equator to north, it is called a north pole. It is called the northern hemisphere, and equator to south pole, it is called the southern hemisphere. So we are having two hemisphere. First is northern hemisphere and second is a southern hemisphere. Okay. Now students, you can see some lines over here also. Today we will talk about the latitudes. Okay. Why we need all these lines on the globe? Because it is very difficult to locate the location of any country, any city, any place. To solve all these problems, we show this line to measure the actual position of the places. Yes. So first of all, we will study about the latitudes. What is called the latitudes? Come back to here. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitude. Latitude are measured in degrees. The equator represents 0 degree latitude. Okay. Now we'll clarify this here. with the globe. You can see this is an equator and all these circle lines, it is visible to you all these circle lines are called a parallels of latitude. Okay, these circle lines are called a parallels of latitude, which is a circle lines. Latitude are measured in degrees and the equator represent the 0 degree. You can see this scale also here. Here some degrees are mentioned. At the equator it is mentioned 0, then 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 from north till North Pole. Same degrees are mentioned from equator to the South Pole. Okay? It is clear? The distance, yes, you can see it is visible here, है ना? Equator से लेके आप South Pole तक देखो, these are all 90 degree here on this scale. Yeah. Now come back here, students. Again, the distance from the equator of the poles is 1/4 of a circle around the earth. Thus, it will measure 1/4 of 360 degree of 90 degree. 90 degree north latitude marks the North Pole and 90 degree south latitudes mark the South Pole. All parallels north of the equator are called north latitudes and all parallel south of the equator are called the South Pole. As you know, students, these all circles make a 360 degree of angle. Okay, here it is will show the 1/4 part of the circle and it is a 90 degree. So from the equator to the North Pole, all these latitudes are called the north latitudes, and equator to South Pole, all these latitudes are called the south latitudes. So hope you students, your latitudes is clear to you all with the help of this globe. Students, I have shared one worksheet with you also. You can see it. It is in your homework. With this video, students, I am sharing pages of chapter also. So you can read the chapter of the book and solve your worksheets. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.